Businesses often struggle with understanding why users drop off or ignore key features. Let's take a look at the challenges that might be holding you back. Unclear user journeys. User dropping off at key points or getting lost in the process. Low engagement. Important features like forms and buttons being ignored. Performance issues. Slow load times or elements that aren't performing as expected. Overcomplicated design. A cluttered interface that overwhelms users. Missed opportunities. Not knowing where users are getting stuck or abandoning tasks. Ever wonder why users are dropping off or getting stuck in your app even though it looks perfect? We will show you. By the end of this video, you will learn how to track user behavior with Microsoft Clarity session replays and heat maps to pinpoint where users get stuck and abandon processes. How to integrate Clarity with portals, Canvas apps, and model driven apps for comprehensive user tracking and insight across all your platforms. How to analyze engagement metrics and performance data to understand user interactions and resolve issues like slow load times and unresponsive buttons. Have you ever wondered why users are abandoning your app, clicking on buttons that doesn't seem to work, or getting frustrated during key tasks? You have invested time and resources into building something sleek and functional, but something just not clicking. Whether it's a sales tracker, CRM, or be it a portal, the reality is that even the best designed apps can miss the mark when users struggle to navigate them. You know there's a potential for a seamless experience, but where do you start to identify those frustrating bottlenecks? Imagine this. You just set up a sleek new CRM to track leads and opportunities. Everything looks great, but then you start noticing something odd. Your team isn't converting lead into opportunities as expected. Something feels off, but you're not sure where it's going wrong. Now, imagine having a tool like Microsoft Clarity to give you a closer look. We are Array Platforms, specializing in Dynamics 365, Power Platform, and AI. Based in India, we collaborate companies across industries to streamline operations and drive growth. As Microsoft experts, we are here to guide you through your sales journey. You can see where your team or prospects are struggling. Maybe they're missing key steps in the sales process or getting stuck on a form. It's like being able to walk alongside your team and see exactly where things go wrong so you can fix it before opportunities slip away. Microsoft Clarity gives you a window into users' journeys. With session replays and heat maps, you can literally watch how users interact with your app, seeing every scroll, click, and hesitation. This means you can pinpoint exactly where things go wrong and make the fixes that turn frustration into seamless engagement. Start with Microsoft Clarity. Create a project in Clarity and generate your unique tracking code. Keep this code handy because you'll use it across all your integrations. This simple step unlocks powerful insights into how users are really interacting with your app. Let's start with portals. Picture this. You have a beautifully designed user portal, but users aren't engaging with your forms or navigations as expected. Here's how you fix that. Open Power Page Management to access your portal's content setting. Select the web template from the content menu. Insert your Clarity tracking code into the header template, then save and publish your changes. For those who like to get hands on, you can even use VS Code to fine tune the placement. This integration lets you capture detailed insights on form submission and navigation patterns, empowering you to deliver a streamlined portal experience. Next up, Canvas app. Imagine you're building a custom sales tracker. You want to know exactly where your users are engaged and where they are hitting roadblocks. Create a custom code component with your Clarity tracking code. Drop this component on your Canvas app. By using a single centralized tracking component, you ensure consistency and make future updates a breeze. With session replays and heat maps, you can watch user interactions in real time and make improvements that matter. Now, let's talk about model driven apps. Here's a common scenario. Your CRM dashboard is powerful, but you're missing crucial insights because user behavior isn't tracked from the moment they log in. Option 1. Embed the tracking code in a custom component on frequently accessed forms. Option 2. Create a custom landing page, embed the tracking code there, and set it as your default landing page. This approach ensures you capture every interaction, from navigating dashboards to filling out forms. It's the comprehensive view you need to optimize workflows and enhance user experience. Now that you have integrated Microsoft Clarity, it's time to explore the insights you have unlocked. With session replays and heat maps, you can identify exactly where users are struggling or dropping off. Let's see how you can use data. Session replays. Watch user journeys in real time to spot issues like unclickable buttons or overlooked sections, revealing hidden frustrations and areas for improvement. Heat maps. See where users click most and where they don't. This helps you identify ignored areas or ineffective calls to action so you can focus on key improvements. Performance insights. Monitor load times and performance to identify delays or underperforming elements that could be causing user to abandon tasks. Imagine having a secret map to your app, seeing every twist and turn of your users' journeys. With Microsoft Clarity, you're not just fixing problems, you're crafting seamless, intuitive experience that keeps user coming back. Whether it's perfecting your sales tracking canvas app, streamlining workflows in your model driven app, or creating an engaging portal, Clarity is your game changing advantage. Ready to see every click, scroll, and conversion like never before? Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more actionable tips on building better apps with Microsoft technologies.